Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete call history on Snapchat. So head over to your Snapchat application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the inbox and then head over to any person's inbox. And in there, just call them down, just cutting it off. So as you can see, it shows a call in here. So if I want to delete it, what I can do is just to keep tapped on it and here tap on the delete option from this layout and here tap on OK and then tap on delete chat to confirm the deletion and the call history is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can delete call history in Snapchat. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.